At the top, you'll find a power on/off and mode switch button. On the side, there's a 1/4-inch mounting thread, along with the Type-C charging input port and another 1/4-inch thread. There's also a 1/4-inch mounting thread on the bottom. The soft diffuser ball and the foldable projection hood fit directly onto the lamp head. The gobos attach magnetically. Align the product's 1/4-inch thread with the light stand and tighten it by turning the knob clockwise. Press and hold the power/mode button, then turn the knob clockwise to power on. Turn the knob counterclockwise until the light flickers for lowest brightness. Turn the knob clockwise until the light flickers for highest brightness. Short press the knob to switch between red, yellow, blue, and white. Finally, use the zoom ring to freely adjust the projection size.